Now, let's check in with Daphne Richards.
Some years we get lots of wildflowers and some years not many at all. What makes the difference? In a nutshell, weather. Our spring blooming native wildflowers require ample autumn and winter rainfall to sprout, grow, and bloom the following spring. No autumn rain, fewer wildflowers. Also, the seeds of many of our native wildflower species, like our Texas bluebonnets, require scarification to sprout. Scarification is the process of breaking down a hard seed coat and serves as a life cycle strategy for many plants, ensuring that successive generations don't all sprout in the same year. In nature, it usually takes at least a few years for scarification to occur naturally. We get many viewer questions about wildflowers. Carol Conkey sent us pictures of white bluebonnets from their property near Highway 71. They love having these renegades, but want to know, why are they white and will they be white again next year? Well, Carol, your lovely white blooms, along with various shades of pink, are a recessive gene trait in bluebonnets. And so, the only way to ensure reliably having them in the future would be to separate them from the blue ones to keep the plants from cross-pollinating. Augie and I always had fun taking our picture in spring wildflowers. Augie recently passed away, so he won't be here on my lap for future episodes. But I wanted to sincerely thank you for all the love that you showered on him from the very first moment he joined me in the CTG studio way back in 2010. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, pictures, and videos.